Here are some interesting facts about snails that will paint vivid pictures in your mind. 1. Nature's slow-motion engineers.
Imagine a tiny creature that moves with such deliberate grace, it's like watching a nature documentary in slow motion. Snails can glide over the sharpest edges without a scratch, thanks to the mucus they secrete, which acts like a natural lubricant. This mucus trail not only helps them move but also marks their path, allowing them to retrace their steps.
2. Intriguing shells.
Picture a beautiful, spiraled mansion that a creature carries on its back. That's the snail shell, a marvel of nature's architecture. Each shell is unique, with intricate patterns and colors that can tell stories about the snail's diet and environment. These shells grow with the snail, adding layers in a perfect spiral as they age.
3. Hibernation artists.
When the weather turns harsh, snails don't just hide, they become mini sculptors of survival. Visualize a snail sealing itself inside its shell with a slimy door called an epiphragm, conserving moisture and protecting itself from the elements. Some species can hibernate for several months, emerging only when conditions are favorable.
4. Remarkable regeneration. Think of a creature that can almost perform magic with its body. If a snail loses an eye or part of its body, it has the remarkable ability to regenerate it. This makes snails akin to the superheroes of the mollusk world, with their extraordinary healing powers. 5. Antennae with a view. Envision tiny periscopes extending from a snail's head.
These are not just any antennas, they are retractable and house the snail's eyes at their tips. Snails can pull them back in and extend them out again, allowing them to survey their surroundings in the most peculiar and fascinating way.
6. Mighty muscles.
Underneath the snail's delicate exterior lies a powerhouse of muscle. A single foot muscle helps them navigate the world, contracting in rhythmic waves to propel them forward. It's like a living conveyor belt, moving with a combination of grace and purpose. 7. Slow but steady travelers.
Imagine crossing a forest floor at the pace of a snail.
It might seem slow to us, but snails are surprisingly adept travelers. Some can cover a garden in a night, navigating through grass blades, around pebbles, and up stems with a tenacity that's truly admirable.
8. Sensory marvels.
Snails experience their world through a highly developed sense of smell and touch.
Imagine tasting and smelling the world through your entire body.
For a snail, this means they can find food and mates with an accuracy that's astonishing given their size and speed.
9. Ancient creatures. Snails have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest creatures on Earth.
Picture the dawn of time, with early snails creeping along primordial landscapes, surviving through ages of change and extinction, their slow, steady march a testament to resilience.
10. Garden helpers. Lastly, envision a small, unassuming gardener working tirelessly. Snails play a crucial role in breaking down decomposing matter, returning vital nutrients to the soil. They are nature's recyclers, ensuring the ecosystem remains balanced and healthy.
Snails, with their slow, deliberate movements and fascinating adaptations, are like tiny, living pieces of art in the vast canvas of nature.